You know, my favorite comic book character isn't a hero. It's the Joker. And here's why that says everything about me. And maybe you too. So have a seat and let me explain. Growing up, I felt like a lot like him. Obviously not the chaos or the crimes, because I'm not a psycho, but the way he stood alone, the way he was misunderstood and turned his pain into power. The Joker's a loner who thrives on being unapologetically himself. People think it's just chaos, but really, he's brilliant. Always a step ahead, always playing his game, not anyone else's. For me, the Joker represents resilience. He took things people saw as his weakness, his quirks, his unpredictability, and he made them great strengths. That hit home for me because growing up in the South Bronx, I had my struggles. Silent battles that no one saw or understood, and people expected me to be tough, to conform, but I couldn't. Instead, I leaned into who I was. We all have a little chaos inside us. It's about how you use it. The Joker reminded me to embrace my quirks and turn them into something powerful, even if that meant that it's not what people expected or understood. Sure, I'm not burning buildings down or causing any kind of ruckus like that, but I'm breaking through barriers that others set for me. It's not just about the Joker. Think about your favorite comic book character or cartoon character. Maybe you loved Goku from Dragon Ball Z. That means that you hate quitting and you value pushing yourself beyond your limits. Or Gambit from X-Men, who loved Rogue despite all her flaws, despite knowing that merely touching her could kill him. You probably believe that love is worth fighting for, imperfections and all. Professor X and Magneto fought for equality. They wanted to feel safe amongst their peers. They took different paths. It's not about their actions, but what they stand for and what they believed in. All of our actions are imperfect. We may not go about things the right way, but it's what you believe and what you stand for that says a lot about you. So what's your favorite character and why do you think they resonate with you? Because trust me, it's not random. Who you cling to, who you resonate with, they probably reflect the part of you that's been waiting to shine. Share it in the comments and let's talk about it. Oh, and if you're ready to embrace the chaos or whatever your superpower is, hit subscribe and let's keep growing together.